is my paradise. Now that you're gone, where are those haunted eyes? You were the one.
Hello folks, Bob Rogers here with Hawaiian Trike. And that was Kavela Bay back there. Yeah. I'm out riding today, trying to get as much exercise as I can. And it talks a little bit about challenges. I know we talked about challenges before, but I got a different situation going on today. And this is a very short video. Hang on, I gotta pass this guy. Okay. That wasn't an electric golf cart. All right, where was I? All right, hello folks, Bob Rogers here on a Hawaiian Trike. How you guys doing today? Well, we're going to talk about challenges today. That's the subject. And I know we've discussed this before about climbing hills and riding in very rough spots and all kinds of stuff. Well, I've got a different challenge again. I've had a challenge like this before, and unfortunately I have a problem with my body not cooperating. Looks like I've got another spinal stenosis again, and this time instead of up in my neck, it's down in my 3-4 lumbar. And went and had the MRI done, and looks pretty serious. So what are you doing riding a bike, Bob, or riding a trike? Well, it's the craziest thing. I can ride a trike all day long, but I can't walk. I have severe sciatica, and it's like I'm waddling around. I'm doing this now so I can get some exercise, but in 2 weeks I'll be going under the knife, and I won't be able to do anything for 6 weeks. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. There's not going to be any more videos coming for a while. All you guys that were watching the kayak surfing, well, I haven't been kayak surfing for 2 months because that's not a great position for your back and for your legs. So I stopped doing that. I just had a lot of footage, and I created all those episodes that we had. So I'm going to take a break.
Back to paradise, to my sandy shore, where we surf the rolling waves, sunshine in every day.
What I'm trying to tell you guys today, though, is when you have challenges like this, you got to meet them head on. Take care of yourself, get yourself prepped. That's what I'm going to do. And be optimistic. I'm really stoked about this. I can't wait to get it done, because the good news is the doc told me that when it's completed and I do my 6 weeks of recuperation, I'll be able to ride my trike, ride my kayak, and have nice hikes and walks all over the place. So I'm really jazzed about getting this done. And that's the thing you guys got to do too. Those that are fighting these challenges, rise up for the occasion, be positive, go on. All right, I'm going to finish up my ride today. This will be about a 26 miler. I did a 40 miler the other day. I'm determined, guys. Well, here's a challenge for you. Riding on a golf course when you're not supposed to ride on it. Bob, why are you doing this? You're breaking the golf course rules. Well, it's true, but I'm not going to be riding for 6 weeks here. So I'm getting all my rides in that I can. Plus, there doesn't look like to be anybody out in the course today. So here's to the challenges, guys. Keep it going. Aloha. Keep it. You guys be healthy, safe, and always be happy. And my new motto, be forever young. Catch you later.